Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy NEPHRITE. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. First and foremost, before I go straight into the video, as you can tell, the scenery is a little bit different for this video. Usually I'm in my room, but today the weather just feels so nice. I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and film a video out here. It is a little sunny, so if I seem like, you know, I'm squinting a little bit, it's because, you know, the sun is pretty bright today. But nonetheless, though, I just wanted to go ahead and give a chain of actually pace. As you can tell from the thumbnail today, we are going to be looking at the Air Jordan 3 in the blue cement, or aka the Varsity Royal, and I hope you guys like today's review. Another thing as well, I know it's been like literally 4 weeks since I last dropped the video. I went on my channel today and I saw that it said like a month since I last uploaded, and I was just like, wow. Yeah, you know, we need to be on the roll with that. I've just been extremely busy, guys. Like, I haven't been able to have time to actually, you know, make a video. I have videos made already. I just need like time to actually edit it, and I'm not just gonna throw something that's not, you know, complete all the way out just to go ahead and just say here it is. No, I want to give you guys my full and proper, you know, actual time into when it comes to actually getting these videos out. So I thank you guys for being so much patient with me, and I really greatly appreciate it. Another thing too, before we go straight into this review, is currently it's a little bit windy today, so if, you know, as I'm talking probably right now, you're gonna hear wind blow on the camera. I really do apologize. I'm sorry. Just like I said, I wanted to do a little change of scenery. Something we might keep doing, we might not. All depends on what you guys like. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to do, you know, more outside reviews, more inside reviews. Feedback, greatly appreciated. One last thing, I promise you, last thing as well. Also, we recently just hit 350 subscribers on the channel, and man, I greatly, seriously appreciate you guys. I will go ahead and drop a picture somewhere over here, so look for that. And make sure you guys also do, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and definitely hit subscribe. The love and support always really means a lot. And I will go ahead and drop my Instagram as well as my sneaker news page. That way you guys don't miss anything. So thank you guys seriously so much for that. Now, without further ado, we're about to move into this unboxing. And like I said, we are going to be going over the Air Jordan 3 blue cement. So as I'm going ahead and actually unboxing this, and sorry if you can't see that, I know the camera's kind of a little bit bad because of the placement, but let me go ahead and actually put this to the side. Now these, I was lucky enough to actually get these on Nike sneakers. It was the Jordan Reserve. As you know, every now and then they go ahead and do basically like restocks. If you go on the app, you can see like it's a Jordan Reserve. It's almost like a little silver white ticket. I will post a picture right there. And I forgot exactly when the Reserve actually happened. I believe it was around maybe 2 weeks ago, and they had a lot. I'm not gonna lie, they had a lot of shoes that were actually on there. The Jordan 3 was on there, the Jordan 1 Bolt Gold. I believe there was the Midnight Navy, not Midnight Navy, there was the Navy ones that were on there as well. There was just a variety of shoes. Main one I wanted was 3s, because, you know, 3s are my favorite silhouette of all time. I'm really happy I was able to get these. And as far as these Varsity Royals go, they came out last year. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me, but these actually did not release to the States. This was, I believe, I think was it a Europe exclusive? And, you know, I was like, man, I'm actually pretty crazy that actually happened. So without further ado, let's get straight into the review. So as you see, I picked up the Air Jordan 3 blue cement Varsity Royal in a size 11, and right off the bat, unlike, I did a review for these are kind of similar to the Air Jordan 3 Unites that I actually did, and not gonna lie, the box is a little bit different. I actually have the Unites here right next to me. If you want to go see that review, go check it out. But I did a review on these as well, and these are basically just the blue version of these. So enough talking. Now you guys want to like, dude, just show us the shoes. I know. So let's go ahead and unbox the top. So right there, you do have your black box with the red Jumpman on that. Put that to the side. Then you are greeted with your elephant print tissue paper. As we slowly take that down, you're greeted with the Air Jordan 3 blue cement right there. Go ahead and take out, this is actually the left pair. So this is the left pair. As you can see, it does come with your extra spare laces. You do have blue and you do have white. Gonna go ahead and set that over to the side. Gonna go ahead and pull out the other one, and then we can go into it. Put the lid on top. Over here. And this is the right pair. So here they go right here. This is the Air Jordan 3 in the blue cement colorway, or Vice Royal, however what you want to do it. I almost forgot to, I don't know why I forgot to do this. Normally I always put my headbands on, I just totally forgot, so give me one moment, hold up. Okay, I'm back, now we look right. Now we look exactly how we're reviewing our product, okay? So, as you can see, this is, like I said, this is the Air Jordan 3 in the blue cement. They did a great job on this, really. Hope you guys can see the material a little bit better. Kind of take it back just a tiny bit. Starting with the outsole of the shoe, you are greeted with a Jordan right there in blue. It's kind of like three-tone. You do have blue, you do have a little bit like light gray, and then you do have your font Jordan right there, and then you do have the white at the bottom. Very beautiful. Going up to the midsole, you have the black around the heel, and you do have the white coming up to the front of the shoe as well. Going up, you do have the elephant print, which is very, very beautiful. I don't know exactly what that is right there, I don't know, but you do have white you do have blue that goes kind of up all the way to the sneaker as well, and then the tongue, which is honestly very, very beautiful. You do have the blue Jumpman right there. Very, very nice, great execution. I really do wish they would have went ahead and released these to the States. I would have been all over these, but nonetheless, I was able to go ahead and pick them up, so I am so happy. At the back, you do have your Air. I wish that this had like the red cements. Let me actually go ahead and get it for you guys. Just like the Unites or the red cements, it does have the Nike Air on the back of that. I wish that the blue cements had that as well. We're just having the, you know, the Jumpman on the Air of it. But someone told me as well, and I actually think this is actually pretty interesting. You shouldn't have, you know, Nike logo, Nike Air with everything for every sneaker. I think it takes away that uniqueness, and honestly at first I didn't understand that, but I do see what they mean though. So going back to the shoe though, but this is it right here. This is the Air Jordan 3 in the blue cement, aka Varsity Royal. Let me go ahead and get the other. Let me know what you guys think for this sneaker right here. Is it a sneaker that you have? Is it a sneaker that you're wanting? Threes are my favorite silhouette, like I said, so this was a sneaker that was a must for me, and I was very, very happy I was able to go ahead and get these on a reserve. So there they go right there. Very, very beautiful. I will go ahead and give you guys an on-feet review for this, and that way you guys can actually see, you know, a better perspective of it. Really quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and actually do another comparison. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the red cements and the blue cements. Which one do you like more? Hold on. Do you like the red? Do you like the blue? Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. For me, I've wore the reds a lot, but really I do like the blue cements. But however though, the red cement, what really gets me more about it is just the Nike Air on that, you know, versus the two. You have the regular Jumpman, then you have the Nike Air. I just feel like Nike Air just completes everything, you know? It just makes the shoe that much more better. I don't know. But nonetheless though, they are still a very beautiful sneaker. So I do, in fact, am very happy that I was able to go ahead and actually secure myself a pair. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this review. To let me know if you guys are gonna go ahead and go for these Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royals. Like I said, are you gonna, is it something that you still want? Did you pass on them? Did you hit on the Jordan Reserve? Or did you hit on any other sneakers rather than this? Let me know, I would really like to hear your guys' opinion. It really, really means a lot to me. So guys, this is basically gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. I know it was a pretty short and sweet review. However though, I just wanted to get some content out for you guys. You know, I had someone tell me on my Instagram like, hey, why is that paper right there? What the? I had someone tell me on my my Instagram like, hey, are you keeping up with your channel? Are you still grinding? Are you still putting out content? I'm like, yeah, I am. I just got, you know, currently I'm in college, so you know, I'm trying to attend to a lot more priorities that I have to focus on. Not saying that you know, YouTube isn't a priority, because it's something that I do like as well, but it's just like when you have, you know, heavier responsibilities, you got to go ahead and get those out first. But nonetheless though, I am going to go in and be cranking out content as well, as much as I possibly can for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for pulling up. Thank you so much for just, you know, supporting me as much as you guys do. It really, really means a lot to me. And again, I'm sorry for the weather. I know I already stated that in the beginning of the video, but it's just something that, you know, like I said, change of scenery. If you guys like it, please comment down below and let me know, you know, you want more outside reviews. I honestly like the outside reviews a little bit better, considering the fact that I have a lot more room to work with, unlike, you know, in my room. So we may go ahead and, you know, just keep going forward with that. We'll see what we do. We'll see what we do. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and break away the on-feet review for these, so you guys can see what these look like and you guys can get a better perspective. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. Hope you guys had a very, very blessed day. one more thing too. I think a lot. I was thinking a lot. I came up with a quote just for me. It's probably, you know, probably a corny quote that you guys are probably gonna be like, oh, this is nothing serious. But to me, it just, I don't know, it means a lot to me. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. And I'm gonna, as much as I can remember, I'm gonna try to incorporate this at the end of all my videos. So there's only ever gonna be one you. So make sure you be the best you. All right, guys, love you. Hope you have a great one. See ya.